Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export Outlook contacts to Vcard files. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for your emails to load completely before moving forward. This ensures that all your contact information is properly synced and ready to access. Once your email has fully loaded, navigate to the bottom left part of your screen. You'll notice 4 different icons displayed there. Look for the icon that shows 2 people, which represents your contacts menu, and click on it. This will take you directly to where all your contact information is stored. After your contacts menu opens, you'll see a complete list of all your contacts and contact groups displayed on the screen. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific contact you wish to export as a Vcard file. Once you've found the contact, right-click on it to bring up a context menu with several options. From the context menu that appears, hover your cursor over the option labeled Forward Contact. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with additional choices. From this expanded menu, click on As a Business Card. This action triggers Outlook to prepare your contact information in the Vcard format, which is a universally recognized file type for sharing contact details. An email composition window will now appear on your screen. In this window, you'll notice a .vcf file attachment, which is your Vcard file containing all the contact information. Simply right-click on this attachment and select Copy. Now you can navigate to any folder directory on your computer where you'd like to store this Vcard file. Paste the attachment into your chosen location and it will be saved as a Vcard file on your computer, ready to be shared or imported into other applications whenever you need it. And that's it! You've successfully exported your Outlook contacts as a Vcard file that you can now use across different platforms and devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.